Want a garden full of bold, beautiful color all summer long? Zinnias are the answer. Today, I'm going to show you how to plant and care for zinnias from seed, plus how to cut them back, make bouquets, deadhead, and even save seeds for next season. Let's talk about the types of zinnias that you can plant in your garden. There are so many different types of zinnias to choose from, perfect for any garden style. You can find seeds online or at any place that sells garden plants and seeds. Here's just a few to check out. Zinnia elegans, the classic tall, showy zinnia, perfect for cutting gardens. Zinnia angustifolia, low-growing, great for borders and containers. Zinnia Benary's giant, tall and ideal for bouquets. Zinnia profusion, compact and disease-resistant, great in containers. Zinnia Queen Lime series, unique greenish lime hues and elegant style. Choose a mix of heights and colors to really make your garden pop. How to plant zinnias from seeds. Zinnias love the sun and well-drained soil. You can start them indoors 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost, or sow directly outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. 1. Loosen soil and smooth the top. 2. Sow seeds about 1/4 inch deep. 3. Space them 6 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety. 4. Water gently, keeping the soil moist until germination. They germinate quickly, usually in 5 to 10 days. Planting zinnias in containers and garden spots. Zinnias aren't just for garden beds. You can plant them almost anywhere with full sun. They thrive in containers on your patio or balcony, raised garden beds, along fences or sunny garden borders, in between veggies for a pop of color and pollinator power. Window boxes with shorter varieties like profusion or thumbelina. Just make sure your container has good drainage and is at least 6 to 8 inches deep. Use a quality potting mix and don't crowd the plants, give them space to breathe and bloom. And yes, even in pots, zinnias will still attract butterflies and bees. Zinnias and pollinators. Zinnias are not just gorgeous, they're a magnet for butterflies, bees, and other pollinators. Their bright colors and easy-to-access nectar make them a favorite stop for monarchs, swallowtails, and honeybees. They also attract hummingbirds. If you're creating a pollinator-friendly garden or just want to enjoy the beauty of butterflies fluttering around, plant a mix of zinnia varieties in sunny spots. It's a simple way to support your local ecosystem. Watering and care of zinnias. Once your zinnias are growing, they need about 1 inch of water per week. Water at the base to prevent powdery mildew. And remember, zinnias thrive on heat and sun. Pinching and cutting back. When seedlings are about 6 inches tall, pinch back the top few inches to encourage bushier growth and more blooms. Taller zinnias, like Benary's giant, can grow 3 to 4 feet tall. Shorter ones like profusion max out around 12 to 18 inches. Deadheading and encouraging blooms. To keep those blooms coming, deadhead regularly. Just snip off spent flowers above a leaf node. Deadheading not only keeps your plants tidy, but it encourages more blooms all season long, making bouquets. Zinnias are perfect for bouquets. Cut flowers in the morning when they're hydrated, and choose stems where the flower head is fully open and doesn't wiggle. This means it's mature and will last longer in the vase. Saving seeds. Want to grow your favorite zinnias again next year? Let some flower heads dry on the plant, then pluck them when they're brown and crispy. Remove the petals and separate the small arrowhead-shaped seeds. Store them in a paper envelope in a cool, dry place or in a paper bag that you can mark the type of seed on the outside of the paper on. Zinnias are truly one of the easiest and most rewarding flowers to grow. With just a little care, they'll bring you buckets of blooms, butterflies, and beauty all season long. You can enjoy this easy-to-grow flower year after year and experiment with colors and sizes in your yard and in containers. Start planting your garden full of zinnias to attract butterflies and other pollinators. Take a look at the links in the comments below for some of our favorite zinnia seeds and plants to grow in your garden. Got questions about your zinnias? Drop them in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more garden inspiration.